Yay! Today is beach day! I can't wait to go. This will be so much fun. Mom, can I bring my bucket? And my shovel too?
Of course, sweetie. You can bring both. I know you love building sandcastles. Let's have breakfast first.
I am really hungry.
We need energy for the beach. Don't forget the sunscreen. We need it at the beach.
Okay, Mom.
I'll pack some snacks for us. And some cold drinks too.
Yay! I love beach snacks. Are we almost there?
Just a few more minutes.
Let's put our things here.
This is a perfect spot.
The beach is amazing! Mom, can I build a sandcastle now?
Of course you can.
I'm going to build a huge one. Look how big it is!
You did a great job.
That is a wonderful sandcastle. The water feels so cool.
Stay where I can see you.
This is so much fun.
Lunch is ready.
I am very hungry now.
Everything tastes better at the beach.
Look at this beautiful shell.
It is very pretty.
I'm going to keep it.
It's time to go home.
I wish we could stay longer.
We can come back another day. What was your favorite part of today?
Building sandcastles and playing in the water.
It was a wonderful day.